Frank here again with another product review. Today it's going to be the Sentry True Wireless Bluetooth headphones. So I got these here for guessing the right amount of Hershey's Kisses in a jar at Amazon. So the first thing to do is to open it. It is definitely a difficult task. You gotta kind of saw at it. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, really? Okay. So it comes with German, Spanish, somewhere is English, guide on how to use it. You have a user guide and warranty. Of course, this is why it was so big. It comes with a dinky little 3-inch cord, which I have no use for. What do you do? Have it hanging here? So it comes with the charge case and the 2 headphones. So obviously you charge the case up, put these in there, and they charge. And then when you're ready to listen to them, you take them out, put them in. And when they die, you put them back in here and it charges them. It's supposed to run up to 4 hours on a single charge. And then I guess after those 4 hours at 50% volume, you put these back in here, it'll charge it up and you get 4 more. So about 8 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out of here, pop out the charge case, open it up. Alright, put them in like that. Now I'm going to charge it up. Okay, so to pair these headphones to your Android phone, you want to pull down, turn on Bluetooth. And then, you want to open up the case, take both headphones out. Now they flash red and blue, which means they're in pairing mode. So then you hold down the Bluetooth symbol, hit pair new device, and BT979 is the thing we want. So we hit that, we hit pairing, it connects. That's all you gotta do. Now they're connected to my phone. So overall, after testing it, I mean, they're a pretty good set of headphones. I like them. I like the ability to turn the case charging on and off. I mean, overall, they're pretty decent quality. I do prefer the Boltoons still, simply because the bass on them is a little better. But something to note, these are Type-C charger. This is micro USB. But overall, I mean, it's a decent set of headphones. I'm satisfied with them. So I don't know, maybe this helps, maybe it doesn't. Either way, thanks for watching.